Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites that matter: network reachability, correct API keys, and the required auth method. Once you confirm access, trim the payload to a minimal example and attempt a single send. Make sure to enable detailed logging or debug mode so you capture headers and status codes. If you hit an error, note the exact code and timestamp. This first step narrows variables fast and gives concrete evidence to drive the next diagnostic actions. Once done with the minimal test, dive into request and response details. Check headers, status codes, and any error bodies. Reproduce the same call with curl or postman to separate SDK issues from network problems. Make sure payload size and content type match API expectations and compare behavior across environments. Also audit DNS resolution, firewall rules, and any rate limit or retry policies that might throttle sends. These steps isolate whether the failure is client, network, or server-side. You now apply targeted fixes based on diagnostics, rotate or correct credentials, increase timeouts, update or patch the SDK, and adjust payload format or headers. Once changes are in, run an end-to-end test and watch the logs for success entries and final status codes. Make sure the receiver acknowledges or that a delivery event appears. If problems persist, collect full logs, timestamps, and sample requests. Then escalate with that evidence to the API provider or your platform team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.